It is indeed a great pleasure to be here this morning at this handover ceremony of the Japan Grant Aid Project for the improvement of the equipment for the disaster risk management. The 4-year project, which began in 2011, is aimed at promoting international cooperation in the field of disaster management by providing equipment for the disaster management based on Japan's experiences with the earthquake and tsunami. The project began with a survey by the government of Japan, collecting information from countries in the Asia and Pan-Pacific region, including Fiji, considered having a high risk of earthquakes and tsunami damage. This led to the signing of the MOU between the government of Fiji and the government of Japan for the implementation of this project with a total cost of 5.7 million. I must say at this juncture that the assistance is a timely one for Fiji and the region, given the role that the Fiji Met Office plays in terms of keeping track of the global weather patterns. Through the provisions of this assistance, some of the benefits derived are installation of advanced monitoring and communication system, early detection in sudden change in weather patterns, timely reporting, and improved weather observation accuracy. On this occasion of the handing over, I would like to express the sincere gratitude of the government of Fiji to the people of Japan for their continued support and friendship through this JICA-funded project. I appreciate the government of Japan's recognition of Fiji to implement this project and the investment provided to develop the resources in the country to support our fellow Pacific region as well. As the implementing agency of the project, the Fiji Met Office is committed to carrying out all the project activities and is determined to achieve the objective of the project. Your Excellency, once again on behalf of the government of Fiji, I wish to assure the government of Japan that your kind gesture will go a long way in contributing towards providing improved services delivery for Fiji and the region. Vinaka Vakalevu, and thank you.